How to sign out a Telegram in iPhone. So all you have to do is to go to your Telegram application here, and it will lead you directly to your chats. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see three different options there. You have to tap on settings. Now it will look like this. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can't see sign out or log out. On the upper right, you will see edit there. Just tap on edit there, and then on the bottom part, you will see log out. Now you tap on log out there. It will actually give you alternative options, so you can connect your Telegram accounts. Now if you really want to log out, on the bottom part you will see log out there. Logging out deactivates all your secret chats, so all the secret chats, you won't be able to access it anymore. So you tap on log out, a confirmation there that you want to log out, just confirm it, and basically you have successfully signed out on your Telegram in iPhone. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.